Today we're going to talk about how to count. No, really, we are. Well, no, not like Sesame Street, but we're going to learn some mathematical techniques to count large numbers of things quickly and effectively. There, that makes more sense. For example, I have 7 shirts and 3 pairs of pants. And 2 jackets. How many outfits can I make? How do I figure out how many outfits you can make out of 7 shirts, 3 pairs of pants, and 2 jackets? You multiply them together. Because any shirt can go with any pants, can go with any jacket. 42 different outfits altogether. So, when you're looking at the number of ways to do a series of tasks, we're going to be doing some multiplying. I have 5 different pictures. How many ways can I line them up on my wall? Well, how many different pictures could go first? 5. You have 5 choices for the first picture. So let's say I take a picture of some trees and I put that up first. How many choices do I have for the second picture? There's only 4 left because I already used one. For the third picture, there's only 3 left. For the fourth one, there's only 2 choices left. And for the last picture, there's only 1 choice. And you multiply all of these numbers together. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It gives you 120. Let me show you a couple shortcuts. First of all, there's a shortcut for writing this. It's called factorial. And you write it with an exclamation point. 5! No, you don't have to shout. It just says 5 factorial. And that's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You start with the number and you multiply all the way down to 1. That's what factorial means. So, first shortcut is for writing. The second shortcut is for actually finding it. If you have a scientific or graphing calculator, there is probably a way for you to find a factorial automatically. Mine has a button with this written above it. If you have a scientific calculator, it's probably somewhere on the front of your calculator. With a graphing calculator, it's hidden in one of the menus. It's probably math and then prob. But in any case, look for the exclamation point. If you can't find it, Google the model number of your calculator and factorial. If you still can't find it, take a photo of the front of your calculator and send it to me, and I will find it for you. So, or of course you could just multiply them. It doesn't take all that long. Unless, of course, I decide to be evil. There are 27 students in a class. How many ways can I line them all up? Well, what do you think? You're right, it's 27 factorial. But what's that as a regular number? Let's find out. I need to hit that. I need to hit the shift key to use my factorial. My calculator says 1.088 and then a bunch more digits, and then at the end there's a number 28. What does that mean? The answer is it's a very big number, and your calculator has answered you in scientific notation. Have no fear. Just make sure you understand it. So this is saying the answer is a 28-digit number, and the first digits are 1088. So, a 28-digit number. The number of people on planet Earth is only 10 digits. If you wanted to try all these arrangements, you would not be finished before everyone in the class was dead of old age. You would probably not be finished while the sun exists. So, what did we learn about factorials? We learned what they mean, how to find them on your calculator, how they can be used to solve problems, and we also learned that they get really, really big really, really fast.